Good morning, everyone. I, Aditi Amit from Department of Management, BBD ITM, cordially welcoming you all in national level online speech and skit competition on World Environment Day, organized by the Department of Management, BBD ITM, Lucknow. Their competition has been organized under the cooperation and guidance of our Chief Patron, Mrs. Alka Das Gupta Ma'am, Chairperson, BBT Group of Education, and Sri Virat Sagar Das Sir, President, BBT Group of Education. The patron of this competition, Professor R.N. Yadav Sir, Director, BBT ITM, Lucknow, and the advisory of this program is Professor Dr. Manish Singh Sir, HOD Department of BBT ITM, Lucknow. The organizing secretary, Dr. Shivangi Tiwari Ma'am, Assistant Professor, Department of Management, BBT ITM, Lucknow. And the student coordinators are Palak Gupta, Aditi Amit, and Nimesh Gupta. Dr. Shivangi Tiwari Ma'am and Professor Vinay Kumar Yadav Sir are the judge of the event. Now, I would like to request Vinay Sir and Shivangi Ma'am to say a few words. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Beta. Thank you so much. Good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to give a special thanks to Dr. Shivangi Tripathi ma'am and to all my dear students who are organizing this very important event, who took initiative to conduct such type of important event in the supervision of our HOD sir, Dr. Manish Singh sir, and yes, of course, our great motivator, our director sir, Mr. R.N. Yadav sir. And I'm welcoming to all of you on this very important day, that is World Environment Day. Since 1974, World Environment Day has been celebrated every year on 5th June, engaging government, businesses, and citizens in an effort to address pressing environmental issues. It is very important that we should concern about the environment because we live in the environment and there is an ecosystem which gives us oxygen. And I must say that we all studied the importance of the ecosystem in our junior classes, in our basic classes. So very well known what is ecosystem. So to maintain the ecosystem, to manage the ecosystem, it is our prior responsibility that we should keep our environment safe so that the coming future, the coming generation should also enjoy the facilities of the environment. So I'm not going to take too much time, but it is my humble request to all my dear student and the participant who is present in this particular event that please plant a tree today. Do not forget to plant a tree today because conducting an event, it's not going to achieve the purpose of the environment. When we are planting a tree, when we are really concerned for protecting the environment, then definitely we will go to plant a tree. And yes, we have challenge if we do not have open land, we have not garden area, we can easily plant a tree or decorative plant as well in a artificial pot. So it's my humble request, please plant a tree. Thank you so much and best wishes to all the participants and the organizers. All the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to call Shivangi ma'am to say a few words. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Aditi. First of all, on the behalf of whole Department of Management, BBD ITM, I welcome you all. I extend my warm welcome to all the student coordinators, chief patrons, patron advisory, and our judge, Professor Vinay Kumar Yadav sir, I extend my warm welcome to all the participants too for your cooperation and active participation. Now, let us give our coming generation a healthier and happier environment to have a beautiful life. Best wishes on World Environment Day and all the very best, all the participants. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, I would like to call Palak Gupta, Student Coordinator, for further proceeding. Palak, over to you.
Thank you, Aditi Amit. World Environment Day is happily celebrated worldwide on the 5th of June every year. On this day, awareness and action programs are organized to support and protect our environment. It celebrates awareness about those things that affect the world and the environment in the positive and negative way. This day acknowledges us with the chance to broaden our vision, our opinion, and our responsibilities toward preserving and enhancing the environment. In 1974, World Environment Day was observed for the first time. The main aim was to raise awareness about emerging environmental issues. These environmental issues were discussed from various elements such as marine pollution, human overpopulation, global warming, etc. The World Environment Day of 2011 was hosted by India for the very first time in Delhi. The theme was Forest Nature at Your Service. The current environmental situation in India is usually environmental degradation, loss of biodiversity, degradation of land, public health, and resource depletion. It's not yours, not mine, it's ours. So protect our mother who nourishes our youth. World Environment Day comes up with a new theme every year. This year, on 5th of June 2021, World Environment Day will be hosted by China, and the theme for the same is air pollution with the slogan breathing can't be stopped, but we can change and purify quality of air we breathe. So we should pledge to plant more and more trees and save our environment. पेड़ हमेशा हमें देते एक नई ऊर्जा जो करती है हमारी रक्षा धन्यवाद all the best everyone participating before that I would like to welcome our judges Dr. Shivangi Tiwari ma'am and Vinay sir Mr. Vinay Kumar Yadav sir. So here we proceed with our national level speech and skit competition. Here are the rules and regulations. Contestant will be given 2 minutes to express their speech. They are required to open their video when it's their turn. When their turn arrives, exceeding time will lead to negative marking. You will begin with your speech when called upon by the moderator. Participant can use both the language for their presentation. Participant can see and present their speech. Result will be declared at the end of the competition. Participants are required to maintain decorum of the competition, otherwise they will be rejected. Now, proceeding with the speech and sketch competition, I would like to call our first participant, Miss Archita Rai, to deliver her beautiful speech. Archita Rai.
Thanks, Palak. I'm audible.
Yes, you are perfectly audible.
Thank you, Palak. Heartily greeting and good morning to one who all are present here at this occasion of World Environment Day. Myself, Archita Rai, I am the student of MBA first year from BBD ITM Lucknow. We all know about World Environment Day, but we must also know about the objective of celebrating this day. Our environment consists of all living beings as well as their surrounding. A healthy environment is sustainable for long period of time. It is the source of life for everyone. It directs the life of everyone and determines the proper growth and development. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on June 5. It was celebrated with the aim of taking positive steps to protect environment from polluting the earth and inspire people around the world in the direction Our precious biodiversity is lost due to illegal trade of wildlife for many years. And wildlife like elephants, tigers, rhinos, gorillas, sea turtle, etc., have reached the brink of ending the existence of important species. And to solve this problem, to get better future on the earth, it is necessary and it is in front of us as a major problem. The main objective of celebrating this event are spread awareness among the public about the issues related to the environment, to create continuous and environmental friendly development, encourage people living in the society and communities to contribute active representatives in the campaign globally. At last, I would like to conclude that we all live in the house of earth whose roof is environment. We should take a care of these two because our life will be healthy and safe only when the earth will be green and environment will be clean. The same earth, the same environment, and the life are the same. So do not waste it, live it. Thank you.
Thank you, Archita. Now, I would further like to call participant Sahil Gupta. Sahil Gupta. Okay, now I would further like to call Gaurav Bhargava. Gaurav Bhargava. Are you present? Our next participant, Aditendu Vikram Singh.
Good morning. Good morning, respected jury members and my dear friends. My name is Aditendu Vikram Singh, a student of MBA first year at BBD ITM, is going to deliver a speech on World Environment Day in हिंदी। पूरे विश्व भर में विश्व पर्यावरण दिवस हर साल 5 जून को मनाया जाता है। इसकी शुरुआत पर्यावरण के मुद्दों पर वैश्विक जागरूकता का उत्थान करने के लिए संयुक्त राष्ट्र महासभा के द्वारा सन 1972 में की गई थी। इस अभियान की शुरुआत पृथ्वी की प्रकृति की रक्षा करने के लिए और लोगों को पर्यावरण के लिए सकारात्मक कदम उठाकर प्रेरित करने के लिए की गई थी। संयुक्त राष्ट्र द्वारा इस अभियान का मुख्य उद्देश्य लोगों के सामने पर्यावरण के मुद्दों का वास्तविक चेहरा देना और उन्हें विश्व भर में पर्यावरण के अनुकूल विकास का सक्रिय प्रतिनिधि बनाने के लिए सशक्त करना था। और मैं इस वर्ष की थीम, विश्व पर्यावरण दिवस की थीम इकोसिस्टम रिस्टोरेशन के साथ मैं अपने विचारों को खत्म करना चाहूंगा, मतलब कंक्लूजन देना चाहूंगा। यानी कि इसके तहत हमें पेड़ लगाकर या पर्यावरण की रक्षा कर प्रदूषण के बढ़ते स्तर को कम करना और इकोसिस्टम पर बढ़ते दबाव को कम करना है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Aditendu. Now, I would like to call our next participant, Vidhi Gupta. Vidhi Gupta.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vidhi Gupta from MBA first year. Today, I want to present a speech on World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on June 5th. It was established in 1972 by the United Nations General Assembly. The objectives of celebrating the events are: number one, to spread awareness among the public about issues related to the environment. Number two, to motivate people to clean up the surrounding areas for better start of the campaign. My dear friends, we all are linked with the environment. We breathe only because other elements in the environment are supporting our metabolic process. Any damage to the environment will reflect in our own health. Let's not forget that. If we live on Earth, then this way, Earth is our first home. Forget about your different homes and uh, and keep your focus on the Earth. We should keep the body clean, green, and crime free so that the environment here nourish us and not cause us trouble. I am convinced that if all people follow their responsibilities in a sensible way, then the day is not far when all living beings will live happily on this planet under the roof of a healthy environment. Save the wildlife, save the environment. Thank you.
Thank you, Vidhi. Now I would like to call our next contestant, Nitish Vishwakarma. Nitish Vishwakarma. Are you present, Nitish? Now, I would like to call our next contestant, Shruti Pandey, to deliver her speech. Shruti Pandey. I would like to call our next contestant, Aditi Amit. Aditi Amit.
I'm audible to you, Palak?
Yes, you're perfectly audible.
Okay, thank you. Nurture the nature so you have a better future. Good morning, all the faculty and the members who are present here. Today, I, Aditi Amit, Department of Management, BVD ITM Lucknow, standing in front of you all to give a short speech on my topic, World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on June 5 with a new theme. And today, World Environment Day is celebrated with a new theme, that is ecosystem restoration, which means reduce the pressure from nature so that nature can recover on its own. As we all know, environment plays an important role in our life and all the life exists on earth. We all are depends on environment for air, food, water, shelter and other needs. Today, World Environment Day is the perfect day to spread awareness and also make people responsible for the environmental damages they do in their daily lives. There are several activities and several pollutions which affects the environment daily, such as air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and also deforestation. Who are responsible for all these pollutions and damages? We are responsible for all these pollution and damages. You know what? We humans make the waste that nature can't digest. And today's pandemic, COVID-19, is the fresh example of environmental damage. Today, patients are longing for the oxygen and water in some states. We youngsters are just like water. We can take the shape we want to. So I would like to request every individual that please take a step forward to protect our environment. There are several activities from which we can protect our environment. We youngsters have the ability to protect our environment, such as planting trees, store water, save water, reduce, reuse, and recycle. And last but not the least, spread awareness regarding the environmental damages and their cures. Environment is the gift of nature that is priceless. So please stop damaging it. At last, I want to conclude my speech with a short poem. That is, when a simple water is quenching my thirst, it would never be my second love, but first. There is oxygen from plant in every breath I take. So I can never hate the environment even by mistake. Food comes from nature which you post online. Have you ever thanked the nature before you dine? You are in environment and environment is in you. If you pollute air and water, they will pollute you. Environment is
Dear
more precious
participant,
than gold
your time
and
is up.
diamond. So please take care of it like your beloved without being told. Thank you.
Very nicely portrayed, Aditi Amit. Now, I would like to call Akansha Rai. Our next participant, Akansha Rai. Are you present, Akansha Rai? Okay. Further, I would like to call participant Divya Yadav. Divya Yadav. Divya, are you present? Now I would like to call our next contestant, Kajal Singh. Kajal Singh.
Yes, I am audible, Palak.
Yeah, you're perfectly audible.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Respected.
Please
teachers
open your
and-
camera before that.
Sorry. Good morning, everyone. Respected teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Kajal Singh. I am a student from MBA first year and BBD NITM Lucknow. Today, I am here to give a speech on World Environment Day, and I am thankful to you all for giving me this opportunity. Today, I am going to speak few lines on Environment Day. Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. Environment means any surrounding or condition in which a person, animal, and plant live. This day is celebrated to spread awareness about safety of environment. First Environment Day was celebrated in 1974 with the theme of Only on the Earth. Every year celebrated in Environment Day, new theme. This year the theme is ecosystem restoration. Human life is highly dependent on environment, so we also take necessary steps to protect our environment. Water pollution, air pollution, and land pollution are major issues of environment. Today, let's pledge to plant more trees and minimize use to plastic and of save natural resources to protect environment. हैप्पी एनवायरमेंट डे। पेड़ काटने आए हैं कुछ लोग हमारे गांव में, अभी धूप कहकर बहुत तेज है, बैठ गए हैं उसकी छांव में। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Kajal. Now I would like to call our last contestant, Mahant Gandhi. Mahant Gandhi.
Hello, I'm audible. Hello.
Yeah, you are perfectly audible, Mahant.
Hello everyone. My name is Mohan. I'm from ITM Raipur. I'm doing BBA first year. I'm in BBA first year. So I would to start. Shall I start?
Yes.
Thank you. World Environment Day is created by every year of the June 5th globally. It is the day on which we spread awareness about the environment and need to conserve it more. It is the essential for the greeting environment to conserve of nature. It is simply quietly as the when we conserve the environment day, the future generation will be to lead the healthier life. World Environment Day reminds you to strengthen the world, ensure the nature preserve and all the cost. It through the light of the which causing serious harm of our environment. For instance, industrial and factories to contribute the large population, there are deterioration of the quality of the air, breath of the water to consume. In the last, I want to say that as the saying of goes, every drop makes an ocean. It is a type of, in this case, well, to sum it always remember that the gift or blessing which nature endows to the princeless, the rather essential conversation of the better future, the life of all. Always remember the small step which help the reach goal. At last, thank you everyone and conserve our environment.
Thank you, Mahan. Divya Yadav wants to portray her speech. I would like Divya Yadav to come up and express her speech.
Thank you for Palak. Good morning, everyone and participant. I am Divya Yadav and second semester BBD ITM from Lucknow. The most important day and the World Environment Day, its main aim. पलक वीडियो ऑन नहीं हो रहा है.
You go on with your speech then.
Okay, thank you, Palak. Its main aim to being celebrated is to know and solve all environmental issues. For the second year remaining, we mark World Environment Day in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic. But as we seek to move from crisis to recovery, we must take deliberate steps to improve human health and of your natural world, our Mother Earth. Recently, we all have witnessed that Many of the challenges we face stem from the degradation of land, our soils, our water bodies, our forests, and our oceans, mostly due to anthropogenic effect processing that are due to irresponsible human activities. Every hour, 1692 acres of productive dry land becomes deserts. All the current rate of deforestation, 5 to 10% of tropical forest species will become extinct every decade. On World Environment Day, we should place my aim to while effort to prevent to hold the reverse the degradation of ecosystem worldwide. We must accelerate progress towards the sustainable development goals. So on this World Environment Day goals. So on that this World Environment Day, little to all the join because people and natural hit together. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Divya. Now we will be taking short break and we will joining with the same link to announce the result. Thank you, everyone.